We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. and the stock started to push upwards. Now the overall market did as well. It wasn't the only stock pushing up. The SPY did as well, and our SPY bot sent us out a bull indicator since 9 a.m. and from that moment forward things started to shift to the upside towards the bell, and after the bell call options were already up 2 to 3x within minutes, and for the day they were up 5x to 7x, guys. This is our new release that you can now gain access to as well. It allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going, whether it's going up or going down. So you can see that full shift here on 42 Vision with the SPY from white with red borders to green, and same thing is slightly forming here for Bbig, and we're going to break it all down, the key levels that I'm watching going into tomorrow. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. And we're going to jump right into it here with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So this is the one stock I was watching this morning, and it turned out to be consolidating, right? And pulling back towards the bell. You could see it there pulling back towards the bell. When I mentioned it, started to run, gave a 5 to 10% jump, pulled back pretty fast, and within minutes it jumped 20% plus. And here you see it popping up microscopically what happened within the 1 minute time frame and the shifts on 42 Vision. The rest of the day it consolidated and sat sideways, dipped towards the end of the day, and gave a second 20% plus run, and you could see there the complete shift plus the extra layer of confirmation of the bull indicator on 42 Vision, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day within the volatility of the markets. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig, Vinco Ventures Inc. and the stock had a massive run today, right? And you can see here on 42 Vision, the white with red border shifted into red with green, dark green, and then the one piece that's missing, which would be extra strength, and we have to see if it happens tomorrow, is green, right? Right here, that bright green from dark green to green, that's the one piece missing here if this transition continues. Now, in yesterday's video, I stated multiple times that we were at a point where a possible reversal could come based off the 30-minute, right? Every single time we've hit white with red borders, there tends to be a reversal, and some are stronger than others, right? White with red borders, reversal into strength, white with red borders, reversal into strength, and white with red borders, reversal into strength. And others are weaker than others, right? So you have the stronger ones, you have the weaker ones, and 42 Vision brings that out. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, which adds an extra layer of confirmation, and that is the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets, guys. So here you see it, right? We got the bull indicator right there, white with red borders, shifting into strength, bear indicator, then the same thing here as we see it. Bull indicator, bear indicator, bull indicator, bear indicator, right? You got one right here. This was a fake out. You could see if it didn't shift completely back down. Well, from down here to here, risk management, reversal, and it went stronger. And this was the official bear indicator that brought things back down. And then here we are in a bear indicator since yesterday. And we needed to watch if a bull indicator would pop up and negate this bear indicator. That's what I stated in yesterday's video. And here we are. We got that bear indicator yesterday, things pulled downwards, and now we got a bull indicator, and we got the white with red borders and the full shift into dark green. Now, I stated yesterday if we broke through 250, we needed to watch between 250 and 220, and we hit lows here of 224. So it didn't break through it. And if it broke through 220, we would have to talk about the 52-week low of $2 near $1.95, right? $1.95. So this actually broke out today. The overall market bounced as well. But the fact that it actually tried to erase all losses from yesterday is a key level to watch here, okay? If we get a rejection here, which this is where the resistance levels have been since the history of the chart all the way back here, these two right here of 260s, 270s, it's going to be super important to watch because we're going to go right back down towards 230s, 250s, 240s, 220. And the question is, will we go towards $2? Because if we break through $2, things will get weak pretty fast, right? So on the 30-minute, yes, we're under a bull indicator, full strength here from 235 to the highs here of 277. And from the lows to the highs, this went up about 20 to 30% within the day. Now, key levels I'm watching, well, that's what we're going to talk about here in just a moment. But let's look at the bigger picture. The 4-hour, though, it's trying to reverse, right? Went into white with red borders, shifting into red with green, but we're still under a bear indicator. So within this reversal, I'm going to be watching if a bull indicator pops up to negate this bear indicator anywhere around this area as things are going upwards, right? That's the key thing to look for. Now, we have been under a bear indicator since way up here at 462. We finally got a bull indicator here at 312, hit highs here of 390, and then started to fall. Got the bear indicator, and we're having here a slight bounce. The question is it a fake out? Is it a dead cat bounce? Or was it just a momentum move and things are going to continue bearish? Well, we need to see how this plays out tomorrow. And also, if a bull indicator pops up and negates this bear indicator. Now, we also need to see here on the 1 day what's going on. And things continue to shift into red bars, right? We have not seen this many red bars back to back since way back here in November, December, and the beginning of January, right? So it's going to be super important to watch here if this shifts into white with red borders, because that could be a signification, not guaranteed, based off the 1 day, of a dip area. Well, the last time it happened was in November, sat sideways, went even lower in the January and the end of December, right? Until it finally reversed. Now, it does not guarantee that we'll have a reverse like the one here at the beginning of the year, but it is going to be important to watch once it gets to white with red borders. If it does, what is going on based off the 1 day, the 4-hour, and also the bull and bear indicators. If a bull indicator pops up and negates this bear indicator. But back to the 30-minute, let's talk about the key levels for tomorrow. So to the upside, we want to see this break towards 290 and get back to $3, right? Super important. Now, to the downside, if it breaks through 248, which is right there with 250, this is on its way back down, and we need to watch how it reacts between 248, 250 if you want to round it up, all the way down to 224, the lows of the day, and 220 if it breaks through it. Now, if it can find a bottom there and slightly go back down and bounce off of it, that could be a creation of a double bottom, something to watch. If it turns out to happen, we don't know just yet. We need to see how things play out tomorrow, but we do have those key levels to watch. Now, if it breaks through it, 224, 220, well, then now we're talking about the 52-week low, 195. I would round that up to $2, and we need to see how it reacts between 220 and $2 throughout the day. And if it breaks through it significantly and we go below the 52-week low, then we have to start talking about previous history way back before 1 year from now to talk about what supports we need to watch. But before we do, these are the key levels for now. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.